Hey guys, what's up? It's Gabe of Pipestone Kayaking, and this is kind of like our first video of just kind of showing the kayak, like what we mainly have. We just got this kayak. It is the Pelican 120x. It's not the Angler, but we do plan on getting stuff for it to make it more kind of fishing orientated. This right here, we have a dry storage area back here with a bungee strap. Just real simple and pretty decent area back here. Next here, we have like the seat. Pretty nice seat. I think there could be honestly a little bit more padding on the bottom, but always get different types, you know. And right here, you just kind of look Ultimate 120. This is our paddle. We got it's like a sliding option to adjust. Not gonna really mess with it too much. Also in the kayak, there's the foot pedals. I don't know if you guys can see that or not. Maybe right back there if you can. Like I said, it's made by Pelican. It has that twin sheet thermoforming, whatever they always talk about, right here. Okay. Has the bungee strap system in the front, and that's our logo that we have on it. Pretty cool. Really, that's the whole kayak. Just do like a little overview. Sorry about the locusts. I don't know why it's going crazy right now, but I'm gonna attempt, because this is just my camera right now is a Canon HF R300, and of course it's not waterproof, you know, but I'm gonna try making a like a water case, like a waterproof case or whatever to put on for the camera, and then I'm gonna get a GoPro. But this is Gabe of Pipestone Kayaking. Thanks and goodbye.